Hey, did you know when you are looking for properties for rent and you pull up Zillow for applications as well as TurboTenant? Be careful before you apply and spend the money on an application fee. I have been finding out that several of my properties that I've already leased out are still showing active, and people are paying the fees without even realizing the property is no longer available. It's a scam, folks. So if you've recently applied and was charged on Zillow or TurboTenant for an application fee, and you find out later that the property wasn't even available during the time that you applied, reach out to your credit card holder or your bank and dispute it. Good luck trying to get a hold of Zillow customer service, or should I say, no service. Same with TurboTenant. So just be careful out there and happy shopping. For any real estate needs, feel free to give me a call direct. Jim Sakalas, Keller Williams First, TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me. 989 800 2274 is my direct number. Bye for now.